Afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, we will start our chapter Major Domains of the Earth. In previous topics, we have read about solar system and map, latitude and longitude lines. And today, we will start our chapter Major Domains of the Earth. As you all know, the Earth is the only planet where life is suitable. So, human beings can live here because the life sustaining elements like land, water, air present on the earth. So, today we will read about the earth and its domains. So, there are four domains. Firstly, the main part of domains is lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere, and each interconnected with biosphere. First, we will see that in the Greek language, lithos means stones, atoms means vapor, and hydro means water, and bios means life. So, lithosphere is the part of solid portion of the earth, and second, atmosphere where oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other gases are found, and in water was covered with very big area earth surface, and the areas is called hydrosphere. The hydrosphere comprise water in all its form, that is ice, water and water vapor. And last one is biosphere, is the narrow zone where we find land, water and air together, which contains all form of the earth. Okay, so first we will divide it into the earth domains in the four part. First one is lithosphere, second one is atmosphere, third one is hydrosphere, and fourth one is biosphere. Lithosphere means part of land, atmosphere means part of air, hydrosphere means part of water, and in biosphere it's a narrow zone where we find land, water, air together. So, if we will talk about lithosphere, in lithosphere it is contained it's divided into two main division of earth surface. First one is a large landmass area which is called continents, and huge water bodies are called oceans. So, if we will talk about lithosphere, in lithosphere we are talk about different types of continents. First one is Asia, second one is Europe, third one is Africa, fourth one is North America, fifth one is South America, and Antarctica. So, Australia. And about hydrosphere, if we will talk about hydrosphere, it is the part of water. So, in next firstly we will talk about different types of continents. Asia is the largest continent. सबसे बड़ा जो कॉन्टिनेंट है वो क्या है, एशिया. एंड इट्स कवर अबाउट 1/3 ऑफ टोटल लैंड एरिया ऑफ द अर्थ. इन एशिया जो कॉन्टिनेंट्स है उसका टोटल जो लैंड मास है वो कितना है, 1/3 पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ. द कॉन्टिनेंट्स लाइज इन द ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट जो है वो कौन सी डायरेक्शन में है, ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर passes through this continent, and Asia is separated from the Europe by the Ural mountain on the west. और जो एशिया सेपरेट है यूरोप से, it's by because of Ural mountain, and it's combined Asia and Europe, it's called a Eurasia. Second, we will talk about Europe. In Europe, it is much smaller than Asia. एशिया से छोटा जो कॉन्टिनेंट है उसका नाम क्या है, यूरोप. एंड द कॉन्टिनेंट लाइज टू वेस्ट ऑफ एशिया. और ये कहाँ सिचुएटेड है, इन वेस्ट ऑफ एशिया. वाई वी हैव सेड वेस्ट ऑफ एशिया, बिकॉज एशिया इज मोस्टली इन ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर बट यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट इट्स लाइज टू वेस्ट ऑफ एशिया. एशिया के वेस्ट में यूरोप आपको देखने को मिलेगा. द आर्कटिक सर्कल पासेस थ्रू इट. इट्स बाउंड बाय वाटर बॉडीज ऑन 3 साइड्स. तीनों साइड से ये पानी से घिरा हुआ है, and you will see it in map. Africa, it is second largest. First one is Asia, and second largest continent is Africa. After Asia, the equator of 0° latitude runs almost through the middle of continents. A large part of Africa lies in northern hemisphere. Asia, it's it lies in eastern hemisphere, and Africa it lies in northern hemisphere. So there is a Sahara Desert, world largest hot desert, is located in Africa, and this again the continents is bound all side of by ocean and seas. Now if we will talk about North America, North America is the third largest continent of the world, and it linked to South America by very narrow strip. It is called the Isthmus of Panama. क्या कहलाता है? नॉर्थ अमेरिका एंड साउथ अमेरिका, it's linked by a very narrow strip. It's called the Isthmus of Panama. The continent lies completely in northern and western hemisphere. completely जो अफ्रीका है, अफ्रीका सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट है, और ये पूरा नदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में नदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में आता है. बट नॉर्थ अमेरिका इट्स कम इन west and north hemisphere both. 3 oceans surrounded these continents. Okay. Now South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere, with 2 oceans surrounded it on the east and west, and the Andes world's longest mountain range also here. South America has the world largest river, Amazon river. So see, better listen, see in this map, figure number 5.2, North America is just connected with a short strip. It's called a isthmus. Okay. Isthmus, narrow strip of land joining two land masses. So it's joined two land masses, means Northern America and South America. Now Australia is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. Australia जो है वो पूरा कहाँ स्थित है? Southern hemisphere में, and it's surrounded all side of oceans and sea. It is called island continent also. Which Australia is called island continent also. Now if we will talk about Antarctica completely in southern hemisphere is huge continent, and ये सबसे जो है एक बड़ा कॉन्टिनेंट है ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी, अंटार्कटिका भी, और ये कहाँ पे है? सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में. और यहाँ पे साउथ पोल लाइज ऑल ऑलमोस्ट एट द सेंटर ऑफ दिस कॉन्टिनेंट, एंड as it located in the south polar region, so every time it's covered with ice. Okay, thick ice, and here these named are Matri and Dakshin Gangotri. In there are no permanent human settlement. यहाँ पे human settlement नहीं हो सकता. क्यों? Because of ice. Okay. Now many countries have research station in Antarctica. India also a research station here, which is called Matri and Dakshin Gangotri. So student, what we have read today we have read about major domains of the earth. It's divided into 4 parts: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. And then we have read about continents, and it's divided into 7 continents. First one is Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. Okay, so student, you have to learn it carefully, read it and understood it. Okay, bye, have a nice day.